Yes.
Okay, let's go. Hello, we'll now start the presentation on our project Green Harvest. My name is Ducro Louis, and I was with Azri on this project. So the goal of this project was to make a management tool for the Green Harvest on enterprise, and it was on the agriculture, forestry, and logging inventory. So first of all, the first tool that we used, of course, was plus. If you can go on the other slide. There is a lot of okay. There is maybe a lot of delay. So what is Dev C++? It's a free and open source IDE designed for C and C++ programming. It includes the MinGW compiler for Windows, making compilation seamless. The IDE features is an easy-to-use code editor with syntax highlighting and code resource editor for GUI design. It also offers an integrated debugger for effective code analysis and supports project management with templates and Project Explorer. While its interface may seem outdated, Dev C++ is popular among beginners for its simplicity. Despite lacking some advanced features, a supportive community provides help and resources. For larger projects, professional developers may prefer alternatives like CodeBlock or Visual Studio Code, known for the Visual Studio for the advanced tools and features.
Okay, I will continue to the introduction about our business. Our business is the agriculture, forestry, and logging play vital roles in the ecological symphony. It also the second one is agriculture, a timeless craft involves to feed the word, narrating, taste, resilience, and creativity. Forestry maintain green haven worldwide, balancing human needs with the wildlife prevention. Logging, a business necessity, embraces responsible technique for sustainable timber harvest. This business share commitment to responsible resource use in intersect human needs and environmental care. It also the journey of the sector welcome tech innovation for sustainability, precision agri, forest and monitoring and smart logging. Challenge persists, climate change, deforestation and rising resources demand demand. As steward this business, innovate, adapt, and collaborate for sustainable future blending, and then wisdom with modern urgency. Sorry. Next one is the background of this company. The background of this company is found in 2010. Green Harvest balances modern agriculture, forestry, and logging with environmental responsibility. Early commitment to sustainable logging using selective technique, replanting, and strict environmental standard. Agriculture focus on organic practice, agroforestry, and precision farming for optimal yield with minimal environmental impact. Expanded operation with cutting-edge technology becoming an industry leader in sustainable forestry. Embrace logging innovation, reducing waste and carbon impact while benefiting local economies. Achieve Malaysian Timbers Certificate Scheme MTCS certificate in 2011, opening new market for eco-friendly timber product. Actively engage with the local communities, creating jobs, supporting local business, and investing environmental education. This company values passed down through generation, fostering environmental awareness and community participation. It's adapt to current challenges like climate change, investing in sustainable technology and reforestation programs. Green Harvest is a symbolizes a legacy of responsible forestry, producing high quality timber while preserving natural beauty. So I go to the next one is general system flowchart. As you can see, our program start from the welcome page, and it's we go to the login page. That one you have to key in your password. After that, we go to the main menu page that have eight page for you to choose it. The first one is inventory list, staff information, then marketing page, data on the forest, delivery, sales, order, then logout. So I will go to the programming flowchart. Okay, we continue to the our programming flowchart. The first one is start. If we go to the welcome page, then you have a choice to log in. If you log in, if we go to the login page, if you don't want to log in, if we go to the welcome page again. On the login page, you have to put the password to log in to the menu page. When you log in to the menu page, you can choose a page. The different page we got 8 page like the first one I talked on the general flowchart is inventory, marketing, staff information, forest data, delivery, sales, order, and lookout. If you go to the inventory, marketing, staff information, forest data, delivery, and sales, it will show you the thing in this like example in inventory, it show you the what inventory in our business. In marketing, what are marketing for the business, and the staff information, you can see the list of staff that have in our business. And the forest data, you can see the data on the data that forest we have that we sell. This delivery, you can see the how many percent that we delivery to them. Also the sales, you can see the information about the sales. If you just then after you look in, like example, you look in the inventory, you can go to back to the menu, or you can choose to the stay on page like this. Go to the for the order, if you choose the order on main menu, you can see the you have to choose the product and quantity. Then if you want to add more, if we go back to the choose product and quantity. If you don't want, if we go to this display bill, is we display the forest data, sales, and our inventory. For the lookout, you have to choose the number 8. That we go. If we go to the lookup page, you have to choose to lookout or or no, if you don't want to choose the lookout, it will go to the menu page. If you choose to the lookout, it will exit and end the system. Okay, for this.
Okay, so now I'll try to explain in some details how our code work. So as we explained it, we try to make a clean loop where the client can stay on the software, on the program for as long as he wants. So he can go through different page, and for that we use a while and with a variable that I think is named stay on page or something like that. And as long as the user don't want to log out, he will just after visiting one page, it will go back to the menu page, so he can stay on the program as long as he wants. For each page, as you can see on the code, there is a function for each page. For example, here you can see the marketing page, staff page, data page. So we created a function for each page, so it's easier to separate them and to operate on each of them. So basically, our main function will just call our welcome page, and then the welcome page will call all the page necessary. For our login, we decided to add a number of try. So after we have available number of try, and once you failed 3 times, we increment each time, and when you fail 3 times, you will get automatically kicked off the program. Once you pass the login, you will then open the menu page, and that's from where we start the while loop that will allow the user to stay in the program and go through each different page that as represented. So usually, what an experience for the user would be to navigate through the different page, maybe go to the inventory, look at what you want to order, and then go to order, make his order, and as we explained, you can order you can order more than only one product, and it will update our bill generation to add every product you order to generate a clean bill with everything you decided to order. So for the choose of each page, we use a lot of if conditioning. So as you can see, it's if and else if for each page you want to select. So there is a number called the selection page, and each page corresponds to a number. For example, the selection page equal to 4, I think, if I remember right, is a staff page. So if you press 4, it go into the condition. It will try else if selection page equal 4. So it will go on the staff page. And so for the display of every information, we use printf, and we try to make some table that look clean, so it's easier to navigate and to get the information you want. And as I already explained, after going through each page, you can go back to menu page and go to different pages. So that's pretty much all for this programmation. For this, the explanation of how the code works. After this, each page has his own way to operate, and there is a lot of information displayed. And that's all for the explanation of the code.
So I will continue to the result and display output that we get from this program. The first one is the welcome page. When you click to the run this program, it will appear the welcome on your management application for the tree plantation. If you want to continue to log in, you have to press 0 and enter. If we go to the login page, you have to key in your password. Is your ID. If you wrong 3 times, we blocking you. After you log in the login page, it will appear the main menu page that I have taught on the flowchart. You can see, you can choose the different page that 1 until the 8 page. This is the for the inventory page. You can see the group of the wood, name of the wood, density of the wood in kg per m2. And you can see the compressive and for the use. The next one is marketing page. When you select the number 2, you can see our marketing page, the Green Harvest Enterprise, Evan Retailer. I forgot to say that you can go back to the main menu when you press 0 and enter. Please.
So on this page, you will see the staff for the enterprise, where you can find the role and the name of each staff member. Then on the page 4, it's data on the plantation of tree, where you can find the state of the tree, quantity of the number of the space that your forest is actually occupying. For the page number 5, you can see the country where we deliver the most. So it's in percentage, and there is other country where the company is able to deliver. On the page 6, it's about expenses, and so it's the financial information about the company, where you can access each information. For the page 7, so it's the order page, where you can select the type of food you want based on what you saw in the inventory page. Once you select the type of food you want, you will be able to put the quantity in a ton of wood that you desire. And then, as mentioned before, you can go back to select the type of food. So you can add as much type of food you want. Not food, wood. It's a little bit different. As much as type of wood you want, and also you can keep modifying the quantity. And at the end, once you want to get your bill on your receipt, you can press get my receipt, and it will generate the whole receipt. On this example, there is only one type of wood, but I assure you you can add more. And finally, on the logout page, you can decide to leave the program. And you may have noticed, but we found a little trick to avoid putting all our page one under another and having a lot on the screen. We found a little command that enables us to clean the console for each page that we want to display. That's what allows us to have something really clean at the end, because every time you want to change page, it will erase the console and print every information that you desire. And that's pretty much all for the display and the output. And I will leave Azri finish this presentation now.
Okay, now we go to our financial report for this company. As you can see here, there's 4 quarter in the year. You can see this is that's budget that we have, and this is the actual budget that we have. that we got when we are do the business. You can see also the different the actual and our budget. As you can see here, we got the height actual then the budget for a year. You can also see our total non-operating income that 24K, and our budget is only 11K. For the expensive, you can see what we use on what budget that we have to, and the actual budget that we got for the chemical, feed, fertilizer, gas, insurance, hire labor, rent, repair and maintenance, seed, supplier, property tax, utilities, machine hire, and other. This is the non-operating expensive for the interest, income tax, term debts, interest payment, term principal, interest payment. So the conclusion is Green Harvest is a model of sustainable excellence showcasing and commitment to the ethical practice, reforestation, and community engagement for the harmonious balance between business and nature. Our integrated forestry management system, blending technology and sustainable method, position us for future challenge while contributing to economic growth and environmentally well-being. As a standout in the forestry landscape, Green Harvest exemplifies environmental guardianship through cutting-edge technology and community participation. Our dedication ensure a balance consistent of economic growth and ecological preservation, cultivating and sustainable legacy in the forestry symphony. So that's all from us, Azri and Luis.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you.